Hello developers, welcome back. So far in the Laravel Eloquent Relationship series, we have seen one-to-one, one-to-many and many-to-many relationships. These are very commonly used relations. Now we will see some complicated relationships. So today we will see has many through relationship. It is not very common but very useful when it is needed. Now let's see an example of it. Before moving ahead, a quick reminder, if you are new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button and press bell icon so when I upload new videos you get notified. Now let's see an example of has many through relationship. So for that, let's say we have a model project and we have a user. This user belongs to project and we have a task model and this task model belongs to user. In other words, we can say this project has many users and this user has many tasks. So in the user model, it has project ID column to create relationship between project and user, and in the task model it has user ID column, and using this user ID column we can create relationship between user and task. So now here what we want to fetch this task using this project relationship. Like this, we will call project model, and through this project model we can fetch all tasks related to this project. We don't have any column to make relationship between task and project. So how we can implement this? For that we will use has many through relationship. In this project model we will fetch this task using user model. So first let's create the project model. So in the terminal here I'll create PHP artisan make model project and flag for migration. We already have user model, so next I'll create task model. PHP artisan make model task and migration as well. Now in the editor, in the database migration, here is the project migration and here is the task, and in this user table I'll add table big integer project ID. Next in the task migration, here I'll add table big integer user ID, and I will also add table string task title. And in the project migration, here I'll simply add string project title. We will run the migration. PHP artisan migrate fresh. Next, let's close all of these. Now let's create some basic relationships which we have already learned in the previous videos. So in the project model, this project has many users, so here I'll create method users and it will return $this has many user class. So now this project has many users. Next, in the users model, this user belongs to project, so here I'll create project method and it will return $this belongs to project, and this user has many tasks. So next here I'll create tasks and return $this has many task model. And finally in the task model, here I'll say this task belongs to user, so user method, and it will return $this belongs to user class. Is done. Our basic relationships are created. Next in the routes, web route, here let's say we have a route projects and here we have closure function. Let's create some projects. So here $project class and create project title is project A, and this project has two users. So here user 1 is equal to user create, name is user 1 and email is user1@example.com, password is hash make password, project ID $project ID. I'll create two users for this project 1. So here user 2 is equal to user 2. Next I'll create some task for this user. $task1 task model and create title. Here I'll say task 1 for project 1 by user 1, and next here I'll add user ID $user1 ID. This is task 2 for project 1 by user 1, and task 3 for project 1 by user 2. So here in this example we have one project and this project has two users, and for this user we have task 1 and task 2. Next for this user we have this task 3. I forgot to mention here user 2. For user 1 we have two tasks and user 2 we have one task, and both these users belong to this project. Now let's go to the browser and navigate to projects route, and we get mass assignment exception. So in the project model here I'll say guard is equal to empty array. Similarly in the task model guard is equal to empty. Next in the user model, here it has already fillables, just add project ID. Now let's go to browser, refresh one more time. So it should have created the records in the database. Refresh, and in the projects table, and here we have project A where ID is 1, and in the users table we have two users, both user belongs to project ID 1, and in the tasks table first two tasks belongs to user 1 and the third task belongs to user ID 2. Now let's create one more project. So here we have project B. This project has user 3 and here is the user 4. I will also create third user for this, user 5, and next we have 3 tasks already. So this fourth task is for project 2 by user ID 3. Now let's go to browser and refresh. It should have created the records, and in the projects table we have project B where user ID is 2, and in the users table these 3 users belongs to project ID 2, and we have 4 new tasks for these users. Now here what we want, let's say we have a project find where ID is 1. Now return project and it will give us the project 1. Let's see, and here is the project 1. We have already created the basic relationship, so here we can say get me users belongs to this project, and it will give us 2 records, user 1 and user 2. And if I say index 0 for the first user, give us its task, and it will give us the 2 tasks for the user 1. Similarly, we can get tasks for second user, and it will give us one task because user ID 2 has only one task. Now here what I want to fetch all tasks that is created by users of the project, like this project variable and then tasks. Right now it will not work because we don't have this relationship. So let's create this task relationship. So in the project model, here I'll say method tasks, and this project has many tasks. So here we can say return $this. First let's try the has many relation, has many task class, and if we go to browser and refresh, and we will get the error unknown column task project ID. This relationship is looking for project ID column in the task table, and that we don't have. So how we can create this relation? For that we will use has many through relationship. So here I'll say has many through. So here we will read it from left to right. Here has many what? We have has many task, and through user model. Now we have this task relationship. In the route we have written the project task. Let's go to browser and refresh. Now it has written the 3 tasks for project 1, and first 2 tasks created by user ID 1, and this one is created by user ID 2. Similarly, if I fetch project ID 2 and refresh, and here we get the 4 tasks for project ID 2, and these 2 tasks by user ID 3, this by user ID 4, and this by user ID 5. How cool is that? We have created the project task relationship using user model. Now here we have using the default Laravel setup. So this has many through relationship has automatically calculated that in the tasks table it has the user ID column, and in the users table it has projects ID column. Now what if we have different columns name in these tables? So how we can specify that in this relationship? Generally when I confuse what column name should I pass here, what I do, I pass some garbage like XYZ, and then I go to browser and refresh, and it will give us error that it is trying to look XYZ column in the users table, and in the users table we have project ID. So it means in this column we have to pass project ID, the project ID in the users table, and if we go browser and it should work. Similarly in the second column pass XYZ, go to browser, refresh, and it is trying to fetch task.xyz, and in the tasks table we have user ID column. So here I'll pass user ID. Of course if you have different column name like PID or QID, you can specify that. Refresh and it works. And fifth column is most likely going to be the always ID, and it's working. Because we are using the default naming convention, we can skip this and it will definitely going to work. Similar to this has many through relation, we also have has one through relationship. Let's see. Task. This has many through relation returns the collection of tasks, but has one through relation returns the task model, and it will return $this has one through, and this is exactly same as has many through. And now in the web route here we will pass fetch me the task and refresh, and here we get the single object task. Instead of returning, if I dump here, you will see this task is the task model, and this task returns the, and it returns the collection, and it has 4 tasks. This returns the collection of the task and it returns the single task object. This is all in this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and don't forget to subscribe us. See you in the next lesson.